Hi there, my name's JK, you know me as Alucard J, and this is the final part of my video guide. Okay, I was too quick to finish that one off. As soon as I watched the video, I noticed a glaring, something that was very obviously missing. Now, we absolutely tested from the main menu to the game. Okay, because I've lost my cursor, so that's working. Okay, and we did the same for scene win and scene lose. Check those buttons out. Play me. Okay, scene lose, you lost. And back to the main menu. Okay, so we checked all that. But there is something I missed, which is the most important part. How do you finish off your game while playing? I didn't actually take it there. Alright, let's just give it a grand finale and a big view. Alright, so here we are. Let's check the win condition first, because that is so much easier. And I've just realised my speakers are on. Okay, I'm going to have to check the quality of that, and I might be doing this video again. Alright, so, okay, we're going to win. We're going to win. Hey, he's caught up to us. That's the magic of teleportation. Okay, 7 papers. All papers collected. Alright, let's just pause it there and see what's happening. All papers collected. So that would be on the collect papers script. So let's open that up and have a look. Okay. All papers collected. I could type it into the search, but look, it's pretty much one page of script. All papers collected. And look, ready to go. Application, load level, scene win. See, I did put the consideration in there. If anyone noticed it. But you see, I actually use my annotation of the camel casing. In this case, it is uppercase. So, all papers collected, scene win. Alright. Now, the win condition, let's just uncomment that, otherwise it's just not going to happen, as we saw. So, application, load level, scene win, once we have collected all the papers. That kind of makes that redundant, because if you have a close look, the second we get all the papers, sure, the GUI will display that, but it's just going to load the level straight away. I mean, so this is not necessary. It's wasted code. But hey, it's only ever going to run under one condition, and if for any reason there's any lag, at least you have a message there before your win scene loads. So, alright, it's up to you. Alright, so that's the collect papers. Now, what happens if we lose? That's a matter of health. So, let that compile out. Yeah, it's happy. So health is on the enemy script. So, looking for, well, you have lost the game, application, there we go, look, deduct health, you are out of health. Restart the game here. Application, load level, scene lose. It's all there. Okay, but the same thing, it's not camel case. And you've seen that there, scene lose. Okay, just finally, that fast. That's a debug, so hey, that's going to tell us anyway whether it loads or not. As you go through and start using these codes for yourself and start expanding on these scripts and making your own scripts and games, just go through and remove all these. What I do is I highlight all this, I give it a find, control F. See, look, there's 4 debugs here. That one's commented out, that one's commented out, that one's in. So yeah, if you want to tidy up your debug, just go through my scripts and wherever you see debug, just comment it out. That's the quickest way. Just search for every debug log. Okay. Enemy sees, see, that was constantly, every check if visible, that was just constantly streaming out. So probably prudent to comment that out. And then when you think that the enemy shouldn't be able to see you, but he can, uncomment that. And straight away, enemy sees, it will tell you what it can see. If it can see you, it says, then obviously there's no collider between you and the enemy. So that's why I've kind of left them in and commented out, so you can do your own debugging and also see how the debuggings work. Alright, so enemy script, we have a lose condition. I'm scrolling over the wrong thing now. Okay, so deduct health, we have a lose condition, and then we load scene lose. Finish up with that. Collect papers, we have a win condition, and we load the level for the win. And of course main menu, that's where it was. So let's just test that out. It compiles, hit play, I'm on level 0. Let's just start. Let's make the final one a good one. Okay, scene main menu. Sure. Okay, here we are in the game. So, let's just quickly run through. Pick up some papers. Well, there you have it. You won. Okay, you know what? I'm glad we continued because the lock cursor is still set to true. So how do we select that GUI button? Let's sort that out. Ah, that's great. I'm glad I did do that. Okay, so we are looking for scene win and scene lose. And so, some of this. Okay, so as soon as the scene loads, screen lock cursor equals false. We want the cursor back. Ah, it's not lock cursor, it's show. Beg your pardon? So screen show cursor equals true. So when we come to scene lose and start, we immediately show the cursor and also reflect that to the win condition, the win scene. Alright. This time for sure. Let's just check that. Yes, I can run. You won. And we still don't have a cursor. Okay, I did jump straight onto the lock cursor, so chances are, oh look, I did use lock cursor. What a doofus. Huh? You silly banana. Like I said, I think my brain turned to dust, that's for sure. Screen, let's keep it how I thought it was. Screen lock cursor. Okay. Well, at least you learnt 2 commands from that, eh? And a bit of debugging to boot. So, I'm not going to say this time for sure because that hasn't worked the last 3 goes. Main menu, play. And we saw we have a lock cursor. I said, see, I'm actually using the mouse in the editor. I've been using E the whole time, but there, just to prove it still works with the mouse. So it will work with the mouse in your build. Last one. Oh, you know what? This is enough to drive someone nuts, isn't it? I saved those. Oh, look what I've done. I changed them back to lock cursor and true. This is like all the times you're up at 5 AM and all the words start blurring. False. Okay, now, do I need to go over this slowly or are you all laughing and understanding how silly I am. Okay, I hope you all realise what's going on. Okay, when we hide the cursor, we use lock cursor. Lock cursor is true means it locks it to the center and hides it. So when it's true, it's gone. It's not there. Okay, when we come to our GUI, we want to see our cursor again and we want to be able to move it. So locking is false. Okay, we want to unlock it so we can move it and we can see it. So just check that you do have that all fixed up. Yeah. Groovy. Alright, so I'll just save that out, let that compile out. I'm in the play, but that shouldn't upset the compilation, just the playing. I will say it this time for sure. Presto. Let's run. Run. Told you I could run. No, no, no. Okay, so of course, if you don't like these distance, just increase that distance. Okay, distance to paper. Okay, we ready for the last one? Come on, baby. There we go. It's a matter of logic. Okay, so we came to a win condition and we loaded the win scene. We won. We're back in the main menu. We're playing again. Okay, so we won. This is a new game, 0 papers, health. Okay, let's just grab a couple to get him teleporting and rocking and rolling. Now this will be a shock because I don't have the scene window. So, way, yep, see how he's right next to the bush. See? He came through the bush, that's that thing again, alright? There we go. Well, what am I scared of? Charge! That's my kamikaze pyro team for Lost Your Mind. Okay. I hope you're satisfied. Well. Again, thank you for watching. Thanks for putting up with my first ever video tutorial series. My poor structure. My errors and my backtracking. Just take it slowly. You know, if anything goes wrong, just watch it again. You'll see what's happening. All the updated scripts will be on the new question, which I'll be asking and closing to myself and redirecting all future traffic to the forum pages. Say, have fun, happy coding, and rock on.